Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the other system settings, language and input. Then here at the Google keyboard you have to tap here on this icon, select languages, then you have to disable this function, use system language. And here you have the whole list of languages which you can type on your device. Let's select, for example, Arabic language, and try to type something in it. Here we select language, and as you can see now I can type in Arabic language here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like